Hello everyone! We would like to thank you for all the love and appreciation that we've received from you. It is because of this love and motivation that Learn German has moved a step ahead. We are now on Patreon. But why Patreon? We would like to ask you, do you love our work and all our videos? Do you like our style of teaching? And if you like the way we teach, do you want more videos? And how about some worksheets to practice what you have learned in our lesson, and that too free of cost? Keeping all this in mind, we created a Patreon page. So see it for yourself. Just open the browser and type in www.patreon.com/learngerman. And here is our page. You can find the link in the description below. That's how the page looks like. So go on and have a look. So let's see how you can profit from this. How will you benefit? With each video that we upload, we'll be uploading a worksheet for you. And this worksheet will be free for you to practice whatever you have learned in the video. If you follow us on Patreon, you'll get a notification whenever we upload a new video or a new worksheet. There are many rewards once you become a patron. For example, access to ad-free videos. Once you become a patron, you have the advantage of telling us on which topic would you like to see a video. So become a patron. If you like our work, do support us. And in return, you will get rewards as a token of our appreciation. So let's quickly go through our page once again. Under posts, you can see all the posts visible to you. With every video that is uploaded, there is a worksheet attached for you to practice. Click on this orange button to become a patron. You will land on a page where you'll see various rewards. You can choose what kind of patron you want to be, and accordingly, you will get the reward. You can also click on this button to follow us so that you are notified whenever a new post is available. If you have no money, that's not a problem. You can still support us with all your love and motivation. Our videos and worksheets will always be free for everyone. Whether you can support us on Patreon or not, you are still a part of the Learn German family, and we would like to thank you from the bottom of our hearts for all the support and love that we get from you. So happy learning and bis dann! Auf Wiedersehen!